Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, let's discuss about the compensatory leave and its approval. So under the leave settings, we have a feature called compensatory leave. So let's go to the compensatory leave. And once we enable this feature, we can view the compensatory leave type. So to view it more details about the compensatory leave type, we can click on it, and we'll be able to view more details like the period in the total days, reset, carry forward type, whether it's paid or not, whether it requires approval, attachment, etc. So if we need to update any details regarding this compensatory leave type, we can click on this edit, and we'll be able to perform edit on this leave type. And also, once we enable this feature, we can view compensatory leave request under this leaves over here. So we can view the compensatory leave request. So let's say the employee Adam Lewis has worked on a day off. So in the attendance, we can go to the attendances. So in the attendance to validate, we can see the attendance request created by Adam Lewis that is on 8th September 2024, Sunday. That is, he has worked on a day off. So usually the company has Sunday as a day off. It is a company leave. So he has worked on a company leave day. So he'll be able to create a compensatory leave for this. So we can validate the attendance request that he has created. So once we validate the request, we can see the request in the validated attendances over here. So we can see the request over here. And now let's try to create the compensatory leave request. So under the leave module, we have the compensatory leave request. So let's go to the compensatory leave request. And from here, we can view the leave requests that were created earlier. And to create a new leave request, we can click on create. Here we can see that the employee name has been added, and in the attendance we have to provide the attendance for which we are taking the compensatory leave for. So he has two attendances. So let's select September 15th, 2024, and let's add a description also. And if you want to add multiple leaves, he will be able to add multiple leaves too. So let's say he needs 2 days off. So he has added two attendances, and he can add a description also. And let's save this compensatory leave request. So we can see the request over here, the leave type, the attendance dates, the requested dates are the created by status, description, comment, actions, etc. So now he'll be able to view this leave type under his leave request. So let's go to my leave request over here, and in the my leave request he'll be able to view all of his leave types under which he can request for a leave. So here he has sick leave, casual leave, annual leave, and the compensatory leave type. So in the compensatory leave type, you can see that the available leave days is 0 since the attendance, since the leave request, compensatory leave request is not validated yet. So once the leave compensatory leave request is validated, he can see the compensate available leave days for compensatory leave type will be updated over here. So we can go to the compensatory leave request and validate the leave request from here. Let's approve this. So we can see that the compensatory leave request has been approved. And let's go back to my leave request. And now we can see that under the compensatory leave types, he has two available leave days. So now he will be able to take the compensatory leave type from here. So to request a compensatory leave, he can click on this, and he can create a leave request. So let's set a start date and end date. So let the end date be 24th. And now let's give, if we need to attach any file, we can attach a file, and we can add a description over here. And let's save this request. So it says employee has already a leave request for this date range. So let's select another date to here, 27th and 28th. Now let's try to save this, and we can see that the leave request has been created successfully. So he has created a compensatory leave request, and now to approve the leave request, we can go to the leave request over here, and from here we'll be able to approve the leave request that has been created. We can see the leave request over here, and we can approve the request from here. So this is how we can create a compensatory leave and its approval. So hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.